right, Camaro fans, check out this Gen 1 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Beautiful car. Looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. And you see, done up with the RS front grille, hideaway headlights, that chin spoiler. Just a menacing looking car coming at you down the road. And they had that RS package in the front of them. This thing also sounds menacing with a crate 502, a V8 put underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, nicely optioned car. Car dries out very well, goes down the road very nice. Take a look at this paint. This paint was put on this car extremely nice. Still has a brilliant shine to it. Those stripes are painted on, cleared over. It's not a vinyl, it's not a decal. It's an extremely nice paint job on this. You can see it's very even, nice color, kind of powder blue or medium blue with a nice medium gray stripe package on there. As you can see, it's riding on American Racing torque thrust wheels. This car a great look. You can see up and down the side of it, extremely straight car. Where everything fits very nicely, not full of nicks, dings, scratches, chips. Check out the still pictures. You can see the underside of this car, the engine bay, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this car. The vehicle was originally a California car. Also, by decoding it, it was originally a V8 car, which obviously it still retains that 502 underneath the hood. It does have GM Performance heads on that 502. It was also a frame-off restoration. So when you take a look at the undersides, you'll see it. I'm talking about extremely well done under there. Interior is like new, vinyl top, like new. You won't be ashamed to take this to any of your local shows, cruising nights, rolling nights, depending on what they're called in your area. And they will definitely hear you coming. This is a great sounding car. So it retains the RS look on the gas cap also. Chrome bright work. So you can see the lenses. Everything done to the nines in this one. A little bigger meats in the back. A little thinner tires up front. Kind of that old school drag look to it a little bit. Again, bright work. Paint, the finish. Can't say enough about it on this car. Once again, check out those still pictures on our website, which is uniqueclassiccars.com. And we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. A few other things about this car. The 502 that is paired to an automatic transmission actually has a turbo 400 underneath of it. Rear end is a 12 bolt. Does have 411 gears in it. Posi traction. Willwood disc brakes all the way around. Willwood master cylinder. And again, power brakes. Jet coated headers that you can see when you take a look underneath it or when we check out the engine bay. Like I said, just a very, very nicely done car. Let's go ahead and check this interior out. I'll fire it up so you can take a listen to it. Best part about this car is how it sounds. Camaro door cards. Again, bucket seats, center console. Vinyl in great shape. Carpet, floor mats, all very nice. Retain the RS look with the steering wheel also. Nice little aftermarket gauge cluster there. Down in front of the shifter for that turbo 400. Take a look at the back seat, rear deck. Just the way you expect this interior to be finished off on this quality of a car. Let's go ahead and fire it up. It's a little cold-blooded, so we're going to let it warm up a little bit. Get around to the back so you can hear it run. There is a fuel pump switch down here, so you're aware of that. See how easily the car starts. A little retro style radio. Gotta get warmed up a little bit here. Hear how nice that sounds though. It should idle for us. Listen to the rumble out of that. V8 breathing underneath the hood. Great sounding car. I'm going to come up front, go ahead and pause the video a second here, and just pop the hood. Let you take a look and see what it looks like in that engine bay. Alright, take a look at how nicely this is finished off. Great 502, GM performance head, like I said, dual wood brakes, master cylinder, coated headers, nice chrome valve covers, just finished off again, the nines underneath there, aluminum radiator. There you go, 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, some RS treatments done to it. Big 502 crate V8 underneath the hood. Remember, we consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation where you're located at. UniqueClassicCars.com or give us a call 507-386-1726. Look forward to hearing from you.